What's up, everybody? This is me, Yawar Manzoor, and I believe everybody of you is doing great, nice, and absolutely fine. Okay, so I welcome you to JEE English Unacademy. Hit the subscribe button, that's mandatory. Now, so this video is basically about the timetable for JEE. So if you follow this timetable, you will definitely get a good rank in your upcoming JEE for sure. Okay, and it will be in English language specifically. Now I have seen on YouTube, there are so many videos on this timetable which are in Hindi only. So that's why I came up with this one. So the people who only speak English, who only understand English, so this is for those. So share it with your friends who actually are looking for the timetable that will definitely change their life. So welcome to JEE English Unacademy. And this is a timetable, this is a dynamic timetable for JEE people. It will help you very much. Okay, it took me a lot of time in making. Now I have categorized this timetable in two different peoples. Okay, so the first category belongs to who study at night. Understand? The second category belongs to who study in the daytime. Now see, we say this is just an example, the people who wake up by 12 p.m. or the people who wake up by 7 a.m. Now somebody will say, sir, I wake up by 11 a.m. So am I supposed to follow this timetable? Exactly. This is just an example. You follow this timetable according to your time zone only. Understand? Somebody will say, I wake up by 9 a.m. in the morning. Somebody will say, I wake up by 6 a.m. in the morning. You shift the times according to your time zone only. Okay, rest I'll tell you the points, you just have to follow the points. Time you can manage by yourself. Now first of all, before starting this one, what you people are supposed to do, like before starting your day, what you people are supposed to do is that you have to make a plan. Understand? When you start, for example, you wake up in the morning, understand, and you wanna this much is that you want to exactly finish. So you have to mention this in the beginning itself, in the starting itself. You have to make a list. Understand? So this is the goal that I'm supposed to finish by today. This is the thing that I'm supposed to finish by today. That's what I'm saying. Make a plan. You have to make a proper plan in the morning itself. You have to set goals. What is the thing that I have to cover? This much of the syllabus I have to cover. These number of problems I have to basically finish by today itself. I'm a bit fast in this video because I don't know why. Now see, people who wake up by 7 a.m. in the morning. Now this is, as I told you previously, 7 a.m. is just an example. Okay, so you manage this accordingly. Somebody will say, I wake up by 6 and all. So you manage it accordingly. Now I have made this timetable. It is like, basically, it's like a gym timetable. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Again, it repeats day 1, day 2, day 3. So you can basically consider it the Monday. Understand? So on Monday, what you people are supposed to do, that I'm gonna be telling you. Once we get done with this slide, in the next slide I'll be explaining you what you people are supposed to do in the day 2, what you people are supposed to do in the day 3. That's why I told you this is similar to gym timetable. Day 1, day 2, day 3. This is a dynamic timetable. You'll get every damn thing over here. So the first thing that you people are supposed to do is you have to divide your syllabus in 3 different categories. Understand? So the first one is the easy part of your syllabus. Like if I talk from the physics point of view, if I say what are the chapters that you feel are very easy? Like according to me, I feel mechanics is easy, electromagnetism is easy, like kinematics, Newton's laws of motion or circular motion. These are all the chapters that I feel easy. According to you, see, according to different number of people, different chapters are easy. So you have to put accordingly what belongs to this category, what belongs to this category, and what belongs to this category. That I don't have to decide. Okay, that's why I'm saying you, according to you people only, you put the easy chapters in this category, scoring chapters in this category. Scoring chapters means which are having high weightage. Like if we talk the modern physics, waves, optics, heat, thermo. So these come under this scoring chapters. Understand? So you have to put that in this category. Easy one, put this in this category, and the scoring one you need to put in this category. Because I'll be telling you in the upcoming time how you have to deal with the easy one, how you have to deal with the scoring one, and exactly when you have to study the scoring one, easy one, and the very difficult one. Some of the people feel, sir, rotation is very difficult, not able to solve the questions from rotation. So those people can put those chapters in very difficult portion, very difficult category. Like some people say, sir, not able to solve the problems from SHM, not able to solve the problems from this wave optics. So they can basically put that chapter in the very difficult category. So basically in the first step, what you people are supposed to do is you have to divide your syllabus in 3 different categories: easy, scoring, and very difficult. Now, when you start, for example, you woke up by 7 a.m. in the morning. So afterwards, what you people are supposed to do? Some people will say, sir, I take 30 minutes in finishing my breakfast and all, getting fresh and all. So, okay. So you have to basically start. I'll give you 1 hour. Okay. You have to start. Somebody will, you can also start from 7:30 itself. Not a problem. Now, somebody will start. Now, what you people are basically supposed to do is you have to start by 8 a.m. according to this plan. You start by 8 a.m. This is the session 1, I call it. Session 1, I call it. Okay, session 1. So that will be from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. So you have to start by 8 a.m. in the morning and you have to finish this session by 10 a.m. in the morning. So this will be just 2-hour session. What you people are supposed to do in this session, see, in the morning itself, when you woke up, at that point of time, you are fresh, you are having lots and lots of energy. So that's why I want you people to focus at that point of time on this very difficult portion. Understand? Because in order to understand this very difficult portion is that portion which you haven't studied yet, which you haven't touched yet. Understand? So this portion is basically messing with your mind, messing with your brain. That's why I want you people to start with this very difficult portion in the starting itself, in the starting of the day. Understand? So that you would be able to grasp it very properly, so that you would be able to solve the problems from it very properly, because you would be having lots and lots of energy, high confidence in the starting. If you take this portion in the afternoon or in the evening, you'll say, I'm tired now, let's do it tomorrow, not able to solve the questions, because you won't be able to use your brain completely, properly. That's why I suggest you to take this very difficult portion in this morning session itself, from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. This should be first session. Understand? So I call this morning session as morning shift. This is the morning shift. So this is the first session in the morning shift from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. That is 2 hours of session. Okay, fine. I hope everybody is understanding. If not, then watch it at the repeat. I'm going a bit fast so that it will take less amount of time in explaining the everything. Okay, so this is that portion which you haven't studied yet, which you haven't started yet, which you haven't touched it yet. That's why I'm saying this is the difficult portion, because that's why you have left it previously. Now, so I'll just give an example. See, rotation waves, oscillations, wave optics. This is different people will say, sir, no, this chapter is very easy. That's why I'm saying. So according to different people, different chapters are easy and difficult. So you categorize it according to you only. Now, once you get done with this session, 2 hours of session, after that, what you people are supposed to do, you have to take the 10 minutes of break. This is very necessary. Understand? Because in order to refresh, in order to get back on track, in order to get that energy back, that's why you need this 10 minutes of break after what? This 2 hours of session. You can have the coffee or something like that. What exactly refreshes you? Now, next session in the shift 1, next session, session 2, I call this as session 2 session 2 in the shift 1, session 2 in the shift 1, that is morning shift. That is from 10:10 a.m. to 12:10 p.m. Sorry, 12:10, yeah, 12:10 p.m. exactly. Now, what you people are supposed to do in this case exactly is, now see, it is also the 2 hours of session. In this session number 2, you people are supposed to focus on the same part only. See, for example, from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., you were basically focusing on the theory. Now, start focusing on from this point to this point. Right now also, in the morning, in complete morning shift, you are supposed to study the very difficult portion, because that will definitely take your lots and lots of time in order to understand that, in order to grasp that, because that is difficult according to you. That's why I'm saying. So, in the first session, if you, for example, read all of the theory, in this second session, what you people are supposed to do is you have to go with the problems. How you are supposed to go with the problem? Just categorize the problem like level 1, level 2, level 3, because you have to start from that basics itself. If you don't do it, you won't be able to understand that, because that's why you consider that as the most difficult portion. Understand? So in this session, from 10 a.m. to 12:10 p.m., what you are supposed to do, you have to focus on the problems, categorize the problems in different categories, see if there are any PYQs on that particular topic. that have come previously, or are there any other advanced level questions you need to focus on that one. Try to basically see different number of materials and try to solve all of the questions over there. So once you get done with this session 2 from the shift 1, after that what you people are supposed to see, that's why what I explained you previously, you have to utilize your energy in a positive way. In this morning shift you will have lots and lots of energy. That's why I suggest you to take the difficult portion, so that you will basically grasp every damn thing, more and more problems in a given amount of time. Okay, fine. Now once you get done with this, once you get done with session 2, afterwards what you people are supposed to, it will get done by 12:10. So now you have 12:10 to 12:30, you will have 20 minutes. In that 20 minutes, you have to do this instant revision. Whatever you have studied in this morning shift, you have to revise that in just 20 minutes. Okay, if everybody is loving this timetable, drop a like down below and drop a comment down below. Okay, now, so in this 20 minutes of time, you have to revise every damn thing, and make sure you make the short notes. You make the short notes, because that is mandatory. Okay, it will definitely help you at the end times when your exams are very near. So this timetable you can start from today itself. Okay, like the people who are having exam in the 4th attempt, they can definitely go with this one also, understand? Or the other people, they can also go with this one, not a problem. Now somebody will have question over here, sir, we have tuition timings, we have other timings, so you shift it accordingly. You just make sure you have to finish this much in the daytime. So for that you have to reduce your sleeping time, but you try to finish this according to this only, understand? So that's why I'm saying, for example, you have 2 hours of tuition time in between, so find the gap in between, shift your session 2 of the morning shift, or shift your session 1 of the second of the afternoon shift accordingly, understand? You have to shift these timings, rest timetable will be same. Now after that, 12:30 to 2 p.m. you people are supposed to do the lunch. Finish your lunch, get fresh once again. Okay, now in the second shift, in the first shift, what we exactly did, we took one that's what we call the physics, for example. Okay, we took this subject physics, okay, in the shift 1. What part of physics? Very difficult part of physics that you people need to understand over here. In the second shift, what you people are supposed to do exactly, you have to basically take the other subject, that is chemistry, because in every day we have to cover all the 3 subjects. We don't have to focus on one subject only. Every day you have to cover all the 3 subjects, and the people will basically get bored if they study the entire subject for whole 10 hours. It is highly impossible. Okay, that's why in this timetable you will be getting different number of varieties. You will follow different number of varieties over here. Now start with the chemistry, understand? If you start with the chemistry, but what portion you gonna take in chemistry, you will be taking this portion, scoring portion, understand? In physics, portion number 1. See, in physics morning shift, what we people are supposed to do is very difficult part, because we are having high energy, that's why we took this one. And in the second shift, we will have to take the most scoring part, and most scoring part is obviously not that difficult in this one. It is of the moderate level, understand? Like if we talk according to physics, we say modern physics, heat, thermo, it is not that difficult. We can do it. It doesn't need that much of energy, okay? According to me. So this is not that difficult. You can definitely put it over here. So right now, I can basically say you that this is having over here, you are covering the scoring topics as well, most high weightage topics as well as you are covering the most difficult topics as well. Now see how beautiful this timetable is. Okay, so this is the second shift. Like in chemistry, this is the example of physics. In chemistry, you can basically put it over here, that electrochemistry, what is the other most scoring one, and which is not that difficult also. Like you can put it electrochemistry, what was the other one, solid state, accordingly whatever that is in the chemistry, you can put it over here, understand? Now it is from, so it will be from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. It's of 3 hours of session, understand? In between you can take 10 minutes of break also, that's not a problem. Now from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. there will be a good break of snacks, understand? You can have something, tea, coffee, something, whatever you want, understand? So you need to keep this thing in your mind. In the morning shift, you need to take most difficult one. In the afternoon shift, what you people are supposed to take the scoring part one, so that you will be covering both in the same day, understand? Now from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. you need to take the another subject, maths, understand? This is the day one, this is the Monday schedule I'm asking explaining you. So in maths, what you people are supposed to do, go with the topics which are very easy. There are some chapters, like if I talk in the physics, from the physics point of view, as I told you, kinematics, Newton's laws of motion, entire mechanics, okay, electrodynamics like electrostatics and all. So you can basically go with the topics like that only. Similarly, in mathematics, there will be topics which are very easy. So you can follow those topics which are very easy over here, because at this point of time, for the entire day you were basically studying, so your energy level will definitely would have been reduced. So that's why at this point of time you don't need to stress your mind. So you just have to study that which is not that difficult, in which you don't have to use that much of brain. That's why I suggest you to go with the easy one. Understand? Fine. Now from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. you need to definitely go for the dinner. You done with the dinner. Afterwards, what you people are supposed to do, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. you have to revise every damn thing, whatever you have studied for the entire day. This is highly important. Understand? Very important. VIP. Okay. So this is a very important VI, whatever we say. Okay. Very important, because without revision, you will eventually lead to nowhere. That's why I'm saying, okay, there will be zero in your hand at the end. That's why. And in this one, you have to make the short notes. Try to make the short notes. Revise every damn thing. So in this will be of 1 hour. 1 hour revision. So in this 1 hour revision, you have to revise every damn thing. Now, this is for the Monday. Understand? You done with the day 1. Let's move on to the day 2. Let's see what happens in the day 2. Now, in day 1, what you exactly did is that in shift 1, morning shift, you took the what? In shift 1, you took the most difficult part of physics. In day 2, you will take the most difficult part of chemistry in shift 1. Understand? So that you will be basically covering every damn thing in just 3 days. Again, you will repeat the same thing. You will love it. You will love it. Drop a thumbs up down below. And if you're liking this timetable, drop a comment down below also. Now, in the day 2, what you people are supposed to do, shift 1, you take the chemistry's most difficult part. I'll just write the difficult part over here. Chemistry is difficult part. Very difficult part over here. And in maths, shift 2, what you people are supposed to take in maths over here, you have to take the difficult one or scoring one. I'll just write the scoring one over here. Scoring one over here. Understand? And in physics, you have to take the easy one. So this happens in the day 2. What happened in the day 1? In shift 1, you took the difficult part in physics, and in chemistry, you took the scoring one. In maths, you took the easy one. In day 2, you took in shift 1, in chemistry, you took very difficult one. In maths, you took the scoring one. In physics, you took the easy one. Now, in day 3, that is the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. In Wednesday, what you people are supposed to do is, in maths, in shift 1, that is the morning shift, you people are supposed to take the difficult one. Understand? So that in all the 3 days, you will be covering all the difficult portion of all the 3 subjects. All the whole easy portion from all the 3 subjects. The scoring portion from all the 3 subjects in just 3 days. That's why. So in physics, what you people are supposed to take? The scoring one. This is in the day 3, and over here you will be taking the easy one. So you will be covering in just 3 days every damn thing. Okay, fine. Let's move on to the next one. People who wake up by 12 p.m. Understand? So you just have to follow the same timetable, same points over here. You just have to follow, but you just need to do one thing. You just have to shift the timings. Understand? Like in 7 a.m. batch, like in 7 a.m. shift, what we people are supposed to do, we start by 8. Okay, like if you wake up by 12 p.m., I suggest you to start by 1 o'clock. Okay, you do the breakfast at from 12 p.m. to 1 o'clock. So from 1 o'clock, first session you're gonna take, that shift 1 you're gonna take, session 1 in shift 1 you're gonna take from 1 o'clock to, I would say, 3 o'clock. Okay, then you take 10 minutes of break. Accordingly, you have to follow the same timetable, but just the timings will shift. Now somebody will say, sir, I wake up by 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, you wake up by 10 a.m. in the morning, you start from 11 a.m. and you finish the first session of first shift, you finish that by 1 o'clock in the morning. Understand? 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay, and the people who go for the coaching classes and all, they can definitely shift this accordingly. Like if they have to go for 3 hours in the coaching, so they can shift whatever is mentioned over there, like they can shift the session, shift 2 of session 1. Understand? See, I'll just make you clear over here. Like somebody is saying that, sir, I have to go to coaching from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Okay, somebody, so somebody is following this from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. this morning session. Okay, so he's saying that, sir, I have to go for the coaching class at 12 o'clock. Okay, fine. You take this session 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then you go for from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. You, for example, if you go to coaching at 10 o'clock, you go to coaching at 10 o'clock to, for example, 12 o'clock. Then you start the second shift from that point onwards. What is that? This shift, this shift. In that, what you people are supposed to do, the remaining problems from the difficult portion one accordingly. You just have to shift the timings. Just you have to follow this timetable only. So this was all about it. Let's see if there is anything more. No, there is nothing more. So this was all about it. Thank you so much. I hope you liked this video. It will definitely help you. Share it with the friends who are not able to speak the Hindi and all. That's why I created this one. Thank you so much. Take care.